What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Apple is gearing up the iPhone 17 series. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is a premium device. Make it the definitive choice for those who need for the best. There will be LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED touchscreen display and measuring a massive 6.9 inches screen size and 120 Hz refresh rate. iPhone 17 Pro Max will be powered by Apple A19 Pro 3nm chipset. It features a new 6-core hexa-core CPU. The new iPhone 17 Pro Max will have 12GB of RAM. The phone will come with an extra large 5000 mAh battery. And it offers 3 storage options: 256, 512GB and 1TB of internal memory. The smartphone will have a triple camera system that is made up of 48 megapixel all three sensors and a 24 megapixel camera on the front. The expected starting price of around $1,230. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.